Hello guys, this is Eric from EURCAD. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2023, 22nd of February. Alright. And hi CK, 你好. Well, today I'm back here in this Forex Trading Plan session. I'm going to plan out. I'm going to pick up all the currency pairs. I'm going to focus later on. Yeah, it has now it's reflected below. Alright, so I just quickly go through with you what are the plans that I have for all the currency pairs that I pick up. All right, so Aussie dollar, right? So Aussie dollar over here. Let's take a look. Aussie dollar, we are now heading down into the bear. So what I have a plan for this Aussie dollar is that I'm waiting for this Aussie dollar to break the support. Okay, then retest this area, then I will go for the selling. Okay, yeah. So that's very clear cut for the Aussie dollar. I'm waiting for the breaking out of the support. All right. So for EURCAD, let's take a look at EURCAD. Well, the selling, okay, actually resist over here after reaching the resistance. If the resistance able to hold, then we will be able to see that there will be another selling down, okay, to take this support. This resistance over at this point here, we are just about 20 pips away. Yeah, so I guess it is still quite good, right? So we can wait for it to test onto the resistance. Then after that, we may look out for the selling. That's for EURCAD. Right, next for EURKiwi. Well, EURKiwi. Yes, EURKiwi over here, as we can see, now EURKiwi, we are approaching. We are right onto the resistance now. Tested for the few rounds, and let's see if the EURKiwi able to hold this resistance. Then we will have a good selling from there. Right, so support. Well, anyway, support is actually very clear. Then we can look at this area here, right? So this area of support, of course, this area of support is also quite a good one. Okay, so we still have quite a good space for that. Apart from this area here, right? This area has been tested for a few rounds, so likely after the resistance able to hold, it will come back here to this area of 1.70539. All right. Hi, Marcus. Nice to see you here. Right, so that's for EURKiwi. So let us move on to Euro dollar. Well, Euro dollar. Well, Euro dollar over at this point here. Well, Euro dollar, yeah, and Euro dollar we are heading down south. Okay, but we now we are on the support. So I'm actually looking out for the same thing. Okay, I'm waiting for it to break the support. Then we will continue the selling. Right, so that's for Euro dollar. Well, for the next one to go, that will be pound franc. Well, pound franc. And pound franc over at this point here, I'm looking out for the selling. Okay, why? We have a talk about this. We have a ranging sideways, very big sideways over here, and the sideways went down lower, and now it went up to test onto the highs of the sideways. So likely it will be coming back as a ranging state to come back to test the support once again, right? So we should have quite a good space down there. So that's for the pound franc, right? Okay, so pound franc we can take note. All right, so over here, as you can see, the resistance has been tested and now going for the selling. Okay, so next to go, pound kiwi. Pound kiwi. Yep. So for pound kiwi today, we are actually reaching out to the resistance, and I see some rejections from the resistance as well. So there may be a good chance that it may be retracing downwards to take the support, which we have about 150 pips. Right, so over at this point here, we along the way while it's looking out for support, we can get some profit. That's why I'm actually putting this in. Right, so but please be careful because this will be going against the trend. Right, lastly, I'm going to touch on the pound dollar. Well, pound dollar over here. Well, pound dollar at the moment, as we can see yesterday, from the bear, it went up to the bull and tested around and are now forming out the selling. Well, it went into the selling state, okay, but then again, it's not 100% into a selling yet, right? So it's actually in the transition once again. So for yesterday, as we can see, we have actually experienced one spike up, and then it stopped at the resistance this way, all right? So now you're looking at this, looks like it's actually exhausted, looking out for support before it continue the buying. So for this, okay, I will be looking out for selling. All right. For this pound dollar, I will be focusing. All right. So for tonight, the class in the Zoom class, okay, I will be still focusing on pound dollar. All right. So we'll have a revision on the pound dollar as well. All right. So for the pound dollar, yes. So we are looking out for the selling. So right now we have a new cycle of selling. So let's look out for the support level over at this area here. All right. So let me move this down first. Okay. Let me put this in. All right. My working line. So we can estimate that we still have around 27 pips to sell. That is quite promising. So we can keep a lookout for that. Right. So later on, when I come back in my live trading, I will be focusing a lot on the pound dollar. Right. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's all for today. And let's quickly touch on a little bit on the Bitcoin. As I see, Bitcoin started to swing down a little bit. Not much. Okay, so let's look out on the gold. As for the gold wise, okay, it will be better that we will come in during the London session so that it will be much clearer. Right now, it's not so clear. The volume is not there. All right. So yeah, maybe we can come back in the London session. All right. So yep, that is all for everything. All right. So guys, I hope you like this video. Remember to smash the like button. Click the subscribe button to join us in the live trading session later on. All right, in GMT plus 8, 3 p.m., which is about 2 hours later. All right, I will be coming in for the live trading session. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you later.